Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 3. Hope everyone's having a great week so far and enjoying strategic management and being in this class. Definitely enjoyed talking with each and every one of you through the discussion board and your assignments. This week, we're going to be talking about different strategies and different ways of actually differentiating our companies. So if you look at this, Dr. Agee has a great video here, which he always does a great job each week. We're going to be looking about chapters 5 and 6 this week. So 5 generic competitive strategies and kind of strengthening our position as a company. Let's click on this real quick. And we'll show you the assignments due this week. We have the 3.1 devotional, which is due on day 1. Also, we have a discussion board post, which you need to post, initial post by day 3, and then respond to at least 2 people by day 7. Hopefully, I can definitely comment on each one of you guys' posts. We also have week 3 quiz on there, which is due day 7. And we also have week 3 analysis and application. This is also a point in the course where we definitely want to give you a heads up about the final on this so that you can definitely start working ahead. So definitely take a look at these things. We have a paper and video presentation that are due last week in class. So definitely look at that and really try to see exactly what's going on. And if you have any questions about anything, feel free to let me know. Thanks, and have a great day.